This one got smacked dead center here in the back, so you want to use your old panel to pull off of if you need to.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Kia Soul here. This one got smacked dead center here in the back. It's getting a new rear body panel, which I have right here, and some repair work on the trunk floor. First, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this. I'm going to pull all this old panel out. The reason for that is when this got stuffed and everything moved in, it could have moved some of the connecting panels. And if I don't pull off the old panel, whenever I cut it off, those other parts will still be shifted, and I'll have a hard time fitting everything up. So you want to use your old panel to pull off of if you need to. So I'm going to pull all this out, and then I'll cut this panel off. So I'm going to put a little tension on this floor, put some pressure on it, and I'm going to work a few of these spots out a little more. Just kind of fold it up a little bit in here. Alright, I got this one all fit together. It seals and shuts very nicely, the liftgate does, to the new rear body panel. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get this back panel welded on so this one can get finished up today and go home.